just to motivate you that start your online journey. If you are a photographer, you are a designer, you have a saloon business or any other business. So I'm just wanted to say that come up with the online world and explore the power of online marketing. So why don't you start your journey? Why? Because of the fear of people? Because of the fear of failure? See, there will be failures, there will be trollers, there will be haters. Just ignore them. You should know one thing, that for what reason you started. When you will reach that point of success, जब हम एक सपना देखते हैं and then when we actually believe it, then all these trollers, all these haters, there will be a huge difference between those. Those people are trolling you, are saying you that you are good for nothing, you cannot do anything. Maybe they can be your friends, they can be your family members, they can be anyone. You just have to focus on your work. That yes, you can do it and you can actually do it. See, Digital Pratik once said that first people will ask you, why are you doing this? And when one day they will ask you how you did it. So when someone sees you something, challenge yourself. You don't have to be like, you don't have to come on the second number. You have to beat it. You have to do it. There is lots of opportunities, lots of love and everything you will get. But the only one thing, you have to start for it. Someone asked me, ma'am, there is so much of competition in digital marketing. Every day there are thousands of marketers are coming. How I'm going to be get noticed? See, when I started, तब भी बहुत सारे marketers हैं. Which is the industry which don't have the competition? हर industry में competition है. If you will feel कि मैं fail हो जाऊँगा, मैं कभी भी आगे नहीं बढ़ पाऊँगा, मैं कभी famous नहीं हो पाऊँगा, I won't be able to get noticed, I will be failing. If you have this much of negativity, so you won't be able to do it. First thing, you have to trust yourself that yes, you can do it. You have the power, you have the confidence. You should believe in yourself. Why are you so much afraid and have fear of someone, of some people, of some other people who are doing nothing in their life? At least you are trying. So dear, I just wanted to say that this is only one life. Do it now or never. So there are lots of opportunities waiting for you. It's just a one thing, that you have to enter the gate and hit it. Don't think of anything, that what is the competition, how people are going to think about you, what people are going to say about you. Just ignore everything. Just think of one thing, that why are you doing this? आपने सिर्फ ये सोचना है कि आप क्या सोच के इसे शुरू कर रहे हो, and what is the success, what is the thing, what is the goal, what is your passion, what is the thing for which you are doing this. And believe me, when you will trust yourself, when you will believe in yourself that yes, you can do this, and one day you will actually do it and you will get and you will seriously achieve all your goals. So I have one advice for all of you. Just start with your imperfect plan and make it a perfect. I have also started this. I'm not afraid of any fears, of any failures. Maybe I'll get failure, maybe I'll not get noticed, but that's fine. I will be happy that I'm trying my best and I know that I will achieve one day. So have this confidence in you that yes, you can do it and you can actually build up your brand. So I want everyone, come up with your face, come up with your name, build your brand, build your online presence, and you will actually get a lot of love and a lot of things, and you will actually achieve your goals. So thank you so much. I really want to advise you to share this video, not that because I want likes and shares on this video. Why? Because I really want to reach this video to each and every person who is not starting their online journey only because of the fear of facing the world, of facing that world which is good for nothing. So just start your world, start your online journey, and you will actually achieve it. I believe in you. Do you believe in yourself? Thank you so much.